In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a Steam QR code to log in, all within just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, we need to begin by heading over to the Steam website. If you haven't done this before, simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which is store.steampowered.com. This is your gateway to all things Steam, so get comfortable here if you're a regular gamer. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right hand corner and you should see a prompt to log in. Go ahead and click on that. Steam has streamlined this process to be quite intuitive, which is great for those of us who may not be tech savvy. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a login page where thankfully Steam has provided an option to scan a QR code if you prefer not to manually enter your login details. This is a secure and quick way to gain access to your Steam account without having to fumble around with passwords. On this login screen, you should now see a QR code that you can scan. But before you can do that, you'll need to open up the Steam Mobile Authenticator app on your smartphone. If you don't currently have the app, it would be a good idea to download it from the App Store or Google Play Store, as it offers several security benefits and conveniences. With the app open, look to the bottom navigation bar and find the shield icon, which represents the Steam Guard menu. Tap on this icon. This app safeguards your account and allows for QR scanning options under the Steam Guard settings. Now the app should prompt you to scan a QR code. Don't be alarmed when this prompt appears, it's designed to guide you effortlessly through the login process. So now it's time to bring your phone up to your computer screen where the QR code is displayed. Hold it steady and use the app to scan it. This innovative feature makes logging into Steam not only quicker but also much more secure. Once your phone successfully scans the QR code, the Steam client on your computer should recognize the scan almost instantly. Finally, a prompt will appear on your phone asking you to confirm the login request. All you need to do is accept this prompt to complete the process. And there you have it, you've successfully logged into your Steam account using the QR code. This method ensures that your account remains protected while also providing a seamless login experience. Don't forget to make use of this tip each time you log in to keep your account secure. Thanks for joining me today, and happy gaming.